Leaving the pit lane, keep your speed down until you've crossed the white line just before the signal lights at the end of the garage. It's a huge straight the run down towards turn 1 at Bahrain International circuit. You've got plenty of time to take a rest. Turn for another reference point and drive out towards it. Turn 9 and 10, quite difficult, it's like a double left-hander, braking all the way through the first one and a good squeeze before it's smooth and grippy. But through turns 5, 6 and 7 there's a bumpy section which is worth making note of. Section 1, turns 1, 2, 3 and 4. To the distance for the link road joining the main layout and use this as your aim point. Okay, let's have another look at that complicated section run at normal pace.